Welcome to Economics Look.
Question number 41. Which country became the 69th member of the Asian Development Bank? Options are A. Niue, B. Cambodia, C. Hong Kong or D. Israel. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी इजराइल। इजराइल ने एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक को सितंबर 2024 में 69th मेंबर के रूप में ज्वाइन किया एंड ऑल्सो एज अ 20th नॉन रीजनल मेंबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. NABARD stands for. Options are A. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, B. National Bureau for Agriculture and Rural Development, C. National Bank for Agriculture and Regional Development or D. National Bureau for Agriculture and Regional Development. Correct answer is option A. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Question number 43. NABARD was established in which year? Options are A. 1980, B. 1981, C. 1982 or D. 1983. Correct answer is option C. 1982. नाबार्ड की स्थापना 12 जुलाई 1982 को हुई थी। Question number 44. RBI was established in which year? Options are A. 1944, B. 1966, C. 1935 or D. 1945. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 1935। आरबीआई की स्थापना 1 अप्रैल 1935 को हुई थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. हु वाज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर ऑफ आरबीआई? ऑप्शंस आर ए. सी.डी. देशमुख, बी. जेम्स टेलर, सी. सर ऑसबोर्न स्मिथ और डी. बी.आर. राव। Correct answer is option C. Sir Osborne Smith. Question number 46. Who was the first Indian governor of RBI? Options are A. B.R. Rao, B. C.D. Deshmukh, C. B.R. Ambedkar or D. C. Raj Gopalachari. Correct answer is option B. C.D. Deshmukh. Question number 47. Which is the first Indian bank to get an ISO certificate? Options are A. Punjab National Bank, B. Canara Bank, C. Syndicate Bank or D. Bank of India. Correct answer is option B. Canara Bank. Question number 48. Lead Bank scheme was introduced in. Options are A. 1935, B. 1949, C. 1969 or D. 1981. Correct answer is option C. 1969. Question number 49. Which of the following regulates the mutual fund in India? Options are A. RBI, B. Government of India, C. SEBI or D. SBI. Correct answer is option C, SEBI. Question number 50. Which bank has installed the world's first ATM? Options are A. Royal Bank of Scotland, B. Barclays, C. Citibank, or D. Yes Bank. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, बार्कलेज। लंदन के बार्कलेज बैंक ने सबसे फर्स्ट एटीएम इंस्टॉल किया था 27 जून 1967 को।